Hey, Skillbyte here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install these hood lifts that I got off of Amazon. As you can see, they're red carbon fiber. Now they come in a lot of different colors, including a normal black. The company is Tsubasa. There's a link in the description that you can use to go look at them. They got a lot of different colors. Obviously, I got the red carbon fiber because I got the Soul Red Miata. The normal black ones are like 38 bucks. The carbon fiber color ones, at least the red, was $55.99, I think. So the price is pretty good. So let's get these installed. All right, so first thing you need to do is remove the bolts holding this plate down. Now you can leave this here. I am not, because mine is hydro dipped. I have a video on that. It comes with new bolts and washers. Probably use clean, which I'm gonna use. If you leave this plate off, you could probably use the stock bolts again, but I'm gonna go ahead and use the new ones. The old ones were 12 mil. These new ones are 13 mil. And you want, so this piece you want towards the front and inside. And I am pushing it all the way this direction. You could pull it out. I'm pushing it in. Why not? And get these good and snug, but no need to over tighten them. Now you're going to go back to a 12 mil and this top bolt, and this is why I have this here. Just the top bolt. You're going to remove it. Don't loosen the bottom one, that way the hood will stay in place. And this piece will go right here, again with this knob facing the inside of the car. And I put mine pushed all the way to the outside. I don't think that part really matters. Get that good and snug. Don't over tighten it. There are clips right here that you want to pull out. Don't lose it. But that lets you snap it on. And you could do, so the wide part where it's red carbon fiber, you could have that up on the high part or on the low part, your choice. It looks like it clears. Always double check your clearance, of course. I'm going on the high one because you'll be able to see it better, which is one of the main points of getting this. Now you got to put the clip in. Just slide that in, flip that around. Now that's on. So the one lift is holding up the hood. Just FYI. Now we got to put this end on here. I've removed the clip. I lift up the hood a little bit, just enough. Snap that on. Make sure you put the clips back on. It won't go on. Well, you might be able to force it, but don't try to put it on with the clip in it. Remove the clip before putting it on, and when you're done, when you got it on, put the clip on. That clip is what holds it in, so it's not going to pop out. It has a little bit of resistance without the clip, but that clip's what's going to keep it from popping out on you and you don't want that. All right, it's on. It is that simple. It's open, no bar, full access. It's actually up just a little more than what it was stock. Now we're going to put it down. There we go. And opening it. It just pops up. Just like normal. There we go. Yeah, I resisted for a while getting these, but they look so cool. I mean, that's a great look right there. I'll update in the description if I have any problems or anything, but right now they're working great. They look good, no clearance issues. So hope that was helpful. If so, please like, subscribe, comment, and good luck with your purchasing decision. All right, so how do I remove this hood prop bar? I bet you I could save a few ounces right off the front end.